Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to draw a drawing and I just named it as the home. Friends, usually when I was thinking about my next drawing or my next video, I'll be getting a lot of thoughts, but most of the times I'll be forgetting most of the things. But today morning this thing hits me and I just want to make a video on this. Friends, when the quarantine starts, I was thinking what is the safest place to live? At that time, the answer is the home, but I don't think that was the correct answer, because when we all are as a kid or a baby, we just felt our parents' hands as the most safest place to live, and it was damn correct, right? Because no one can protect us as like the parents, and I just want to share my thoughts like this to you, and that's why I'm making this type of content. Friends, if you like these type of contents, just give a thumbs up so that I can know you are liking these type of contents and I can do a lot more videos like this. And friends, if you have any suggestions for our channel, just drop it down below in comments. And if you have any idea or if you want me to draw any person or anything, just drop it down below in comments, or feel free to share with me on Instagram or Twitter, so that I can make the video which you want. I just want to draw, friends, so I'm here to draw. Just say what you want to see in my next video. It will be great. And yeah, friends, I hope you like this video, and after watching this video, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends, and it will be great. And if you are new to this channel, I love to have you subscribe right here and join with my lovely YouTube family. It's growing bit by bit, and I hope that one day I'll be having a huge YouTube family. If I have all of your support, it will be possible. Yeah, I hope it will be good. Friends, for this drawing I have used graphite pencils, my Artline graphite pencils. Usually I'll be using black pencils from Faber-Castell, but I switched to Artline for a quiet time. But I don't think it have much difference, but still I'm using this. Then my paper stumps and blending brush and needle eraser, mono zero eraser, and some more things like that. And here's the drawing, my friends. I hope you liked it, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends and relatives and family. And if you are new to the channel, I love to have you subscribe right here and turn on the post notifications. And thank you so much for watching, friends. See you in the next video.